I'm eating a pretzel. And we're collecting, look at him. We're collecting stuff to make a scarecrow for her first grade project for Lily's. And I'm eating this pretzel. And it's one day! Scarecrows! Sorry about the wind, folks. Hey girls! I'm making a video for YouTube. Girls, making a video for YouTube.
We're making it.
Scarecrow. The corn? Oh, the hair? This stuff?
Yeah.
You want this? The corn. Did you lose it? Their bags are just flying. They can't hold on to their bags. Look at Bobby. Do you need the scissors? You want these? Oh, that's good. Get the corn!
Oh, honey, we're naturing.
We're naturing. We're naturing. Here.
You're only collecting the dirt.
Okay.
Oh, we can make...
What? Make what? Okay. Do you want some of these? For in there?
Yeah, she's being...
It is cold. Come in the corn. It's warmer in the corn.
Take it out of the wind. That's enough for my bag.
Okay. She's like, that's enough. Let's go in the corn. It's not cold in here. Well, it is, but not as cold. Do you want another corn? I'm not a farmer. You are a farmer?
No, I'm not.
Me neither. Yeah, you live on a farm.
But we're not farmers.
Here. Will, you want this in there?
No, my bag is full.
Your bag is full?
Okay. Yeah, right.
Here. Can I put that corn in there?
Okay.
Here. That'll fit.
Let's walk somewhere else and see what we can find.
Let's go somewhere else. Oh, there's Sugar. Hi, Sugar! What an adventure. All right. Layla, come on.
I don't want to get out yet.
I don't want to get out yet.
Come
Come on, girlie.
I want to still collect stuff.
Okay. We might find better stuff, you know, over there. Okay, we'll get some more here.
This is soft. This one.
Lots more here.
Feel this one.
Ooh, that one is soft. Here. We are collecting this black curly hair. I think we got enough.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure we do. Look. Let's look. Let's look in there.
I want some more.
Oh, honey, that's enough. That's enough. Come on. She's not ready to leave. Come on. Look at Bobby. God, it's cold. Oh. No, we're okay.
These.
Yep.
Oh,
Alright.
this is gonna be quite the project here.
This is going to be quite the project.
Oh, there's like a thistle in my vagina.
Here she just said, there's like a thistle in my vagina. She whispered it. That's funny. This is the airport.
Anyways.
This is the airport.
There it is. Maple Plain International.
Maple Plain International. Oh man.
You could fly up in like 2 hours instead of
2 hours?
10.
Oh, drive? Yeah. If I just got a little plane. Bought a little airplane. What? Let's go in the garage, huh? Do you think we should go in the garage?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next! Oh! Dropped one.
Got it.
Thank you. This is an adventure, huh?
I have a hair in my egg.
Alright. Oofta!
You know how to make these things?
We'll figure it out, sure. You can put it there.
I am not dropping this hair. If I go,
Alright, now
got it.
check Facebook /Twitter /Flickr
Jeez, you have
/Daily
all of them,
Booth
huh?
and Google Plus for the photo of the
And we're making
Scarecrow when it's done. Okay,
We're
bye!
making a scarecrow.
Say bye, YouTube!
And look what we had. Lots of
Hair.
hair.
Lots of vagina hair.
Say bye, YouTube!
Bye, YouTube.